In this video, I want to go ahead and start fixing more of the bugs, and actually, it's the remaining two that I know of, and they're going to be resolved with pretty much the same solution. So what I mean is if we play as a client, let's go ahead and equip our firearm. When I shoot, so I'm going to press it once, twice, three times, double tap, and there when I double tapped, you saw it actually fired 3 shots. So then if I continue, so every time I double tap, it seems like it fires 3 times. Then when I press R to reload, if you watch closely, it looks like it's trying to perform it twice. Like that, you can see there's a little stutter there. So I reload again, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can see it does that little stutter. And then if I shoot twice, you can see the slide goes back a third time. So let's head over to our firearm logic component in here and our get lifetime replicated props. So we're basically triggering everything from these variables here. These are how we are replicating to other clients. So particularly, if we focus on the reload, if we are not the server, we just set this bool to true or false based upon, this, and we call onRep. We're leaving the replication part to the server, so the server is basically going through and setting the reload incrementer, and that's about it. So in our case, because we are setting skip owner as the replication condition for the reload trigger, the onRep reload trigger should not fire when we actually receive the replication, because we're not receiving the replication at all. We're just calling it ourselves. So basically, when we press R, the ability fires for the reload, it calls this reload function, and we ourselves, local client, calls onRep reload trigger. Then the server runs this logic as well, and then because technically we are skipping the owner, but we're not the owner of the firearm in this case, it's basically replicating to us, which means we are firing this onRep reload trigger again. And the same thing happens with press and release trigger. So the problem lies down to not setting the owner of the firearm. So what we need to do is in the equipment component, where we add an actor to the equipment, that should be, so here we call add actor to equipment. What we want to do is set the owner. So actor, set owner, and the owner is going to be the owner of this equipment component. So get owner. So now, if we give this another try, we should not have that, doubled up reload looking kind of effect that goes on at the start, and we should not fire 3 times when we fire twice. So let's press play, and I'll double tap, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I can shoot, and it doesn't, do it more than the according amount. And when I press R to reload, you can see it no longer does that double reload effect. Now we still have an issue with the slide not locking back on the last shot, but that's something we can resolve later. I just wanted to go ahead and fix both of those bugs, so now every single shot is an actual shot. We don't have any duplicate animations basically being stacked up. So we are in a good spot. So now that that's over, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can get early access to this entire series.